Welcome to the sounds of my neighborhood. Oh, golly. There we go. All right, July's data. Um, my neighbor's a woodworker, so apologize if you can hear that. I forgot to mention on the prior recordings for May, June, and now I'm working on July's data. You can tell that by the top of the spreadsheet here. This number down here is the total number of sales for the month. So we've certainly declined. April's been the lowest number of sales so far this year. Or actually, I didn't pull January data. I didn't start tracking this data until February. But so June and July both had 74 sales that went pending. I shouldn't say completed because sometimes they fall out with escrow for whatever reason. So pending sales at the last day of the month were 74 in July, 74 in June. All right. And again, feel free, just if this interests you, look at the data. You have access to it. I'm meant to get a bigger cursor so you can see where I'm pointing my cursor, but let's jump over here. Alrighty. So as I explained in the last couple of these videos, I'm just highlighting the factors that are the number one in the category, or number one category rather for the month. So July, once again, large lot with upgrades beat out the new home construction. Wow, that's 2 months in a row. That's definitely a surprising trend. And then the other thing I like to track is the price trend. So still June, we came down into the 400,000s with some decent number of sales at that price point. And in July, everything seems to be in this area, which is the 151 to 300,000 range. Those were the majority of the sales. And if you add all these numbers up, that will equal 74, 74, and so on. So this is the total number of sales. And I'm just grouping them in the price range they're falling under. That's it. I got 2 more months before I'm caught up, but I will post this spreadsheet so you can peruse the data yourself. You just kind of want to take a look at what I'm seeing. Oh, that should have been Judy. Messed that up on the subdivision side. That will skew the data. No, we're good. Okay, so my subdivision numbers are good. All right. Have a great day. Bye.